Tesla stock has been exchanging at exceptionally low costs for a long time, and there have been remarks about why this might be occurring and the likelihood that the organization's stock price will return up. The graph produces vulnerabilities encompassing Tesla's stock valuation. Tesla financial backer Dan Ives has said that Tesla stock should have a critical flood from now on, and these 9 things should be executed for that to happen. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Dan Ives is quite a Tesla bull and an enormous fan at the Securities Exchange. He's likewise an overseeing chief and senior value research examination covering the innovation area at WebShrub Security starting around 2018. In 2022, the Tesla financial backer expressed that in spite of the production network, Tesla's conveyance numbers joined with a great profit. Bean addresses an EV request direction that looks very vigorous for the vehicle organization, and presently the stock financial backer has referred to how Elon Musk needs to help Tesla stock cost return up. What are the 9 impetuses for Tesla stock as per Dan Ives? We should figure it out yet before we do. In the event that you like this sort of happy, remember to like, buy in, and turn on warnings to move modern on everything along with Tesla number 1. Name a president for Twitter. Toward the finish of January, numerous Tesla financial backers accepted that Elon Musk is investing in excess of energy in Twitter and isn't giving sufficient opportunity to his EV organization. Musk's new organization will call for a ton of investment and an obligation to welcome it back into the groove again to make enormous income, the tech master had recently told Twitter workers in a gathering that Twitter needs to get more enthusiastic spends for the situation. Where it doesn't, there will probably be a huge negative income, which could prompt Chapter 11. Anyway, late news has shown that Elon Musk may before long begin coordinating a greater amount of his consideration back on Tesla, as he is hoping to surrender the administrative obligation regarding Twitter to another person. The Tesla chief has expressed that there is plausible in giving over the administration of Toyota to another person when the stage is ultimately set in on the right direction. A few other examination like Gary Dark likewise accepted that except if Elon Musk alters his perspective on venturing down as the Twitter president, then it might be generally terrible information for Tesla stock number 2. Quit selling stocks and embrace a proper arrangement for when to sell shares again. I simply should have officially embraced an arrangement for when you will sell shares. Elon Musk has been selling Tesla shares in bigger sums in the past couple of months, as of late selling around 22 million Tesla shares in 29 separate exchanges worth generally $3.6 billion. Last year, the Tesla chief uncovered that he had sold 19.5 million portions of the vehicle organization worth $3.95 billion only days after finishing a $44 billion takeover of Twitter, and subsequent to expressing that he was finished selling with Musk as the chief of Twitter. It is unsure whether he will keep selling Tesla shares, particularly as significant changes keep on being carried out in the virtual entertainment organization, and a requirement for additional assets and consideration increments parcels assumed control over the virtual entertainment organization recently in the midst of worries from financial backers. And since the automaker's stock cost has encountered a couple of floods with various drops occasionally, not only has this new pursuit course required a level of his investment passing on less chance to take care of Tesla, some experts had expressed that for Tesla stock cost to recuperate from the plunge, Elon Musk can't sell more Tesla shares until final quarter income is delivered towards the end of January. Number 3. Cut back on forceful development conjectures for Tesla bulls. Dan House likewise concluded that Musk needs to bring down his net focus for Tesla and select more practical objectives. He anticipates that the Tesla president should spread out moderate 2023 conveyance objectives and focus, as per Ives, on the 50 development target, which isn't occurring as he would see it, and a 35 or more conveyance development appears to be more hittable and sensible for 2023. Elon Musk had recently said that Tesla deals will develop by more than 50% in 2022 compared to deals in 2021. As per the Tesla president, 2021 was a leading-edge year for Tesla and for electric vehicles overall. He added that while Tesla combated store network difficulties all through the year, the organization figured out how to develop at volumes of almost 90%. Number 4 declared that digital truck conveyance will start 1 year from now. Tesla's digital truck has remained one of the automaker's most expected and deferred projects, notwithstanding disclosing it in 2019. Tesla has neglected to enter the digital truck into creation anyway, and the vehicle organization has affirmed that the Cybertron is coming in 2023, albeit the authority creation of this unadulterated electric pickup truck is supposed to initiate just recently, with a significant increase probably planned toward the start of 2024. Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas is, as of now, during the time spent tooling for the electric pickup truck, as per Tesla's notable financial backer Gary Dark. The automaker could convey 10,000 digital trucks in 2023. This comes when Tesla is cruising to uneven waters, and there are a lot of inquiries regarding the digital truck, including what amount of time it will require for Tesla to satisfy the large numbers of requests that it as of now has at number 5 make changes to Tesla's load up to add more individuals with experience in tech and electric vehicles, that Blades likewise propose that Tesla's body ought to be reshuffled to remember more individuals with experience for the EV business. There is additionally a likelihood that Musk will be passing on his job as Tesla president, as per a Tesla load up part. Musk as of late drifted the chance of somebody succeeding him as Tesla's CEO. In the event that this is to occur, it ought to be given to somebody who has sound information on the business and is undoubtedly an individual from the Tesla load up. As per ongoing news, Musk has distinguished a potential replacement who could act as chief of Tesla number 6, carry out an enormous offer buyback. A huge offer buyback has been expected for a significant length of time now, and really, as per Leo Kogon, who is Tesla's third biggest investor, Tesla will have a tremendous market cap by 2030 in the event that it can do a $1 trillion buyback between 2026 and 2030. Cochran said in a tweet that he mentioned that Tesla does a $100 billion buyback from 2022 to 2026, and afterward a $1 trillion buyback between that point and 2030. That's what he added, assuming Tesla repurchases its portions at $1,000 for every divide among 2026 and 30, that it will eliminate $1 billion out of the $3.14 billion offers accessible today, diminishing that number to around $2.14 billion. And since there will be less offers for financial backers, stock cost might possibly shoot up from $3,000 to $5,000 for each offer anyway. Tesla financial backer and YouTuber Dave Lee said that Tesla doesn't have serious consumption needs and can't presently stand to designate 80 to 90% of its assets to a buyback like this, aside from in the event that it effectively carries out its FSD programming and makes around 20 to 25,000 in working benefit for each vehicle. Number 7, give more monetary measurements and straightforwardness around edges. 10 Blades keep up with its beat rating at a $175 cost. Focusing on Tesla stock, he anyway accepts that Tesla needs to get more monetary measurements and straightforwardness around its edge structure. He depicted this as an unlikely treasure in an organization with additional creation and deals in China, with Giga Berlin and Austin sloping up, and he added that drawn-out edges will be key for target road number 8. The more political Musk is on Twitter, the worse it is for offering electric vehicles to the majority. Any Tesla financial backers are of the assessment that Tesla's image picture is enduring a shot. Swims further into governmental issues in his bid to turn Twitter around Tesla's remaining parts intently attached to that of its president, whose popularity has expanded with his riches and political action. However, at that point, I proposed assuming Musk decreases sharing his political perspectives on Twitter, which would decidedly affect Tesla 9. Spread out a smart course of action for Twitter than I've said right now. The trepidation is that Twitter's losing cash hand over fist and publicized as an escape, and everything converts into additional misfortunes and conceivable outcomes of Musk selling more Tesla shares. He added that once another president is utilized, he can spread out the 3-year methodology of Twitter during Musk's underlying days at Twitter. The chief, in a gathering with Tesla and Twitter workers, revealed that for the organization to arrive at a huge degree of development, there should be space for it to fabricate income and afterward get more money than it spends. He added that without this, there could be gigantic negative income which could bring about liquidation. Seeing that Musk is committed to raising income as new organization, one might say that Tesla isn't absolutely protected and may keep on seeing less of the chief's consideration and devotion. What is your take on Dan Ives' remark on this? Let us in on down underneath, and remember, whether you need to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, you can feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.